Hi guys, good morning. How are you today? Hope every day is a good day and today is a wonderful day. Okay, so today I am going to give you the parasitic sexually transmitted infection because we had finished already the bacterial infection and the viral infection. Okay, so now we are talking about parasitic transmitted disease, which is trichomoniasis. Okay, trichomoniasis is a common sexually transmitted infection caused by parasites and is curable with medication. Okay, so what is trichomoniasis? So trichomoniasis or TRICH is a common sexually transmitted infection caused by parasite called Trichomonas vaginalis. Symptoms can include a foul-smelling vaginal discharge, genital itching, and painful urination in women, while many men have no symptoms. So untreated trichomoniasis increases the risk of acquiring other sexually transmitted infections, including HIV, and can lead to premature birth in pregnant people. Okay, the condition is curable with antibiotics, but all sexual partners must also be treated simultaneously to prevent the reinfection. Okay, symptoms for women are vaginal itching, foul smelling, vaginal discharge, and painful urination. This is for the woman. So, magkatol ang ilahang kinaiya dayon there is baho nga smell sa ilahang panties, or there is a discharge from their vagina, and painful in urination, sakit kuno siya inig mangihi. And men often show no symptoms but can experience urethritis or urethral discharge also. So risk complications are increased sexually transmitted infection risk. Trichomoniasis can raise the risk of getting or spreading other sexually transmitted disease such as SIV if left untreated. Okay? So, pregnancy complications. Pregnant people with trichomoniasis are at higher risk for premature birth and having a baby with low birth weight. So, if you have these symptoms, you have to be very careful and check your OB/GYN. Okay? Treatment and prevention. Treatment of trichomoniasis is treated with prescriptions of medications, usually an antibiotic like metronidazole or tinidazole. Partner treatment to be cured. All recent sexual partners must be treated at the same time. Okay? So, magdungan mong duha nga magpa-treat to prevent reinfection if you are treated and your husband is not treated, so you will have another infection. Prevention using condoms correctly and consistently can reduce the risk of infection, and getting tested for STDs in a new relationship can also help. Okay? So, protect sex and maintain single partner. Okay? So, when to seek medical help? If you think have trichomoniasis or any other sexually transmitted infections, you should see a medical professional for diagnosis and treatments. Okay? So, if you think you have trichomoniasis or any others, you should inform your recent sexual partners so they can also get tested and treated. Okay? So for those females and for those males especially, you have your vaginal itching, vaginal discharge, painful in urination, don't think it's just simple UTI. Okay? So even UTI, it will lead to severe infection. So this one will lead to this type of infections. Okay guys, so hope my health tips for today will help you and give you a little knowledge regarding about the sexually transmitted infection. Okay guys, so please like and share my videos for the awareness of others. See you next time.